Understanding, Missing a Few Screws, a Guide to English Idioms. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating and colorful idiom, missing a few screws. This phrase might sound a bit odd at first, but it's a fun and interesting way to describe someone's behavior or mental state in English. So, let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and see how it can be used in everyday conversations. Missing a few screws is an idiom that refers to someone who is not thinking clearly or acting in a way that's considered strange or unusual. It's similar to saying someone is not all there or has a screw loose. The imagery here is akin to a machine or a device that's not functioning properly because it's missing some of its essential parts, in this case, the screws. The exact origins of missing a few screws are a bit murky, as with many idioms. However, it's generally believed to stem from the 19th or early 20th century, when machinery and mechanical devices became widespread. The idea is straightforward. If a piece of machinery is missing screws, it won't work correctly. This concept was then metaphorically applied to describe people's mental states or behaviors. Using missing a few screws in conversation can add a light-hearted touch to descriptions of someone's odd or unconventional behavior. However, it's important to use it sensitively and with the right audience, as it can be seen as disrespectful or offensive if directed at someone in a serious context. Here are a few examples of how it can be used. Did you hear about Dave running around the office in a superhero costume? I think he's missing a few screws. My uncle believes he can communicate with aliens. We all say he's missing a few screws. English is rich with idioms that have a similar meaning to missing a few screws. Some of these include not playing with a full deck, suggesting someone is lacking intelligence or common sense. A few cards short of a full deck, similar to the above, indicating someone isn't thinking clearly. Not the sharpest tool in the shed, a gentle way of saying someone isn't very smart or aware. Missing a few screws is just one example of how colorful and expressive the English language can be, especially when it comes to idioms. Whether you're learning English as a second language or you're a native speaker looking to expand your idiomatic expressions, understanding and using phrases like this can make your conversations more engaging and fun. We hope this video has been informative and enjoyable. Keep practicing, and you'll be fluent in the language of idioms in no time.